Today, we're trying out new stained glass copper foil from Delphi Glass in this two-part test to see the differences in black versus silver backed foil when matched and mismatched with patina. Quick transparency. This copper foil was sent to me for free, and the links in my profile bio are affiliate links, so I can earn a small commission if you shop through those links. Now that we got the legal stuff out of the way, let's dive in and get a feel for the foil. What are we working with, and what makes Delphi foil different compared to other brands? I'm a 3/16 girly, first and foremost, but this also comes in the most popular 7/32 size for foiling. They have 3 different backing options, FYI, black, silver, and copper. But most intriguing is the thickness of the foil. This is 1.25 mil thickness, which immediately feels like the Goldilocks zone for me. Not super thin like 1 mil, and not super thick like 1.5. What does that matter? Great question. Thicker foil means it can be less susceptible to tearing and curved corners, which a few of today's test pieces have curves for that exact check. Side note, resealable bags are low-key super nice. And the band just pops off easily like that? What?
Yep, I'm sold.
It took me a year before I realized a few things when it comes to foil. The number of options can be super overwhelming, similar to cane border options. But for foil, once you know what you like and understand those options, it becomes way easier. If you enjoy adding black patina to your stained glass, go with black backed foil. If you never apply patina to your work, go with the silver backed foil. The width of the foil comes down to how thick of glass you're working with. I've come to keep both 7/32 and 3/16 on hand, so I can keep my solder lines lean and mean. For the test, we're applying the foil today and just getting a feel for it. Part 2, which comes out tomorrow, will have soldering, cleaning, and applying patina to see how the projects will look when the foil matches the solder lines, and vice versa. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tap the follow button if you enjoy seeing stained glass art get created one process at a time, with tips, tricks, and product reviews such as this sprinkled into the mix. So far, I'm digging this Delphi foil. And no tears? Grizzly likes.